Now that our campaign is running, it's time to look at how Hootsuite Ads helps with analysis and reporting. Analytics live throughout the entire tool, enabling you to manipulate and graph data, and navigate results at any stage of the campaign process. In the Hootsuite dashboard, view results at the account level, or dig deeper by viewing results in the campaign level dashboard. By clicking into a campaign, you can view top factors and ads reporting, which shows results at the ad testing level as well as individual results for each ad. If necessary, you can make edits to your campaign under Campaign Details. Edits to ongoing campaigns should always be made using Hootsuite Ads rather than Facebook. Let's head back to the Home dashboard to look at the Dynamic Graph Creator. It shows results from all campaigns across your account and can be customized based on the most important metrics. You can even view overall ad account stats for Facebook and Google side by side. When you click into an individual campaign, you'll notice opportunities to adjust the optimization of the campaign if it's still running. You'll also see the delivery overview, which tracks the total reach and frequency of the ads shown. Also on the individual campaign pages is the Top Factors chart. Top Factors shows the results from all the variants you tested during your campaign, giving insight into which variations performed best. Now click View Full Stats, which takes you to the Ads Reporting tab, where you'll see even more results. Here, you can graph your data based on primary and secondary statistics, as well as metrics like engagement or click-throughs. The All Ads view lets you look deeper at ad sets and individual ads. This information can be further customized by changing the columns. You can also export it as an Excel file. Now we'll head over to the Audience Inspector. This is a table that breaks down the elements of your audience you're not already split testing. The Audience Inspector gives quick insights into the effectiveness of an audience and identifies new opportunities for targeting. If you want to view data from a group of campaigns, scroll up to the main nav bar and click Your Tags. This shows campaign data based on any tags you added. For example, let's say you run a global chain of hotels, and all your different locations ran their own campaigns using the tag Spring Promotion. You can pull results from these individual campaigns in one place, giving a complete view of performance.